everybody, it's Chantel with Telly's Talking Chuck. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. When you're jumping on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow this business page. Check out my VIP group, Telly's Talking Chuck, VIP. You can also find me on Instagram and YouTube with Telly's Talking Chuck. If you want, you can go visit my website, tellystalkingchuck.ca, where you will see my finished pieces and links to the business websites. Sorry, I'm just trying to get in here so I can see my video. When you jump on, say hello if you can. Share this out on your timeline or in groups that you're allowed to. That would so help me. This just takes a couple of minutes. There we go. That is all better now. So we are going to be using our pillar stand. And because it's fall, I decided to get this transfer back out. We have used it before, but these are reusable transfers 8 to 12 times, sometimes more if you take good care of it. I just gotta see which way I have to open this. I tell you, each transfer is different the way you open it. You open it from the back, the front, the top, the bottom. So, I'm just going to peel this off. Just put that over there. Now we're going to place this down. Normally I would fuzz, but we have used this before, so I'm not going to right now, just to save time. If it is a new transfer, you do want to fuzz. That all that is putting the fuzz or some fuzz on the back of the transfer so that it's easier to pull up. Hello everybody, how are you doing today? Who's with me? So today I decided, because we're doing kind of autumn fall colors, to do too far out. Purple, and which is our regal, and eucalyptus, which is a greeny color. I decided that I wanted to do those two colors together. I don't know why, but I did. So I think I'm going to do the outside in the regal and then do the words in the eucalyptus. I don't know why I can't ever remember that name. Hey Gail, how are you? So this is going to be a pretty quick live. I'm just doing these two colors on this. I want to take my time in certain spots though, because it is tight together. And we want to make sure that we don't mix them. I mean, we could do a hot mess, but that, with this purple, it might not actually come out really nice with the eucalyptus, because it might turn out to be more of a brown color. I'm doing well. I have a Toastmasters meeting after this. We're doing a speech contest, so I'm got my nerves all going crazy, so wanted to do something a little less stressful, a little calming, until I get ready to do all of that in like an hour and a half. You gotta be live and like on at 6:15. We don't actually start till 7, I don't believe, but we'll see. Oh, I have an issue in that. I'm missing something because you just looked at me really funny. I have my husband in the background again, like always. Every once in a while he looks at me and I'm like, what did I miss? 'Cause sometimes I do. Alright, so we're just going to put this back in the jar. We're going to move on to our other color. We're going to do this as quickly as we can so it doesn't dry in the transfer. It is water soluble, so it will wash off of your transfer. But if you're wanting it to stay on the surface, you need to move quick. This is the new formula, so it does dry a little slower than our other, but it still will dry within 3 to 5 minutes. So you want to be careful and get all your spots, but do it as quickly as you can. Try not to get the purple, but so far so good, I guess. It's working. I keep feeling like I've gotten it, but it hasn't shown it. These little letters is so hard. Like, I don't even know if we're gonna get it. Did you do anything fun today, Gail? No, I think she left. Alright, so we're just going to pull this up. We're going to pull this as straight as we can. And see, it's not too sticky. Alrighty. Going over the words. Told you, sometimes you just can't tell. And some of them are skinny, so it's harder for it to go through. And it's okay if it's not perfect because we can wash this off and do it again. These are reusable surfaces, so that's good. Yep. It's okay. So that is our finished project. It's not perfect, but it's homemade, so not everything is perfect. So I'm just going to put it on the stand and show you. This one's got a little twisty on it. It just twists. If you can see there. And there is our finished project. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, give me a thumbs up or a heart. Let me know if you're on the replay, #replay. And I will see you guys tomorrow at 7 o'clock because tomorrow is Friday. Bye, y'all.